Hey everybody, welcome back to Fun in Tim's Garden. Took a little longer to get the gardens in. It's because I'm trying something different this year. I'm going vertical. Check this out. So normally, as you recall, if you've been watching my videos, I always let my squash kind of go horizontal, spill out over the lawn, less to mow, looks pretty, life is good. Well, I was in Iowa last summer, visiting some friends, and I noticed what they were doing with their garden. They went vertical and put up some fence. And the squash grew up and over the fence. It was incredible. Look at this. So that's what I have built this spring. I put it in my garden. It's ready to go. There's a couple of more advantages to this that I'm really excited about. Rather than just squash, I went peas, I went beans, I went squash. They're all supposed to climb along each other, up that fence, going vertical, over the top and down. I'm thinking I'm gonna triple my yield. I am so very excited. So we're gonna watch this all summer. And as an added benefit, if it works, we're gonna have a green wall to look at the entire summer. I cannot wait. Gardening is so fun. Well, that's it. We'll watch this. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna do a couple more episodes about this and some other, I'll call them innovations that I've tried, just stuff I've observed, friends have mentioned to me. We'll see what happens. Thank you so much for watching. It's gonna be a great gardening summer. See ya.